Greetings everyone. I'm Bill from Ladyfinger Sewing. I'm the tech and one of the owners. And today I'm going to show you the easiest way to oil a BERNINA Hook machine. So that would be for a 4, 5, or 7 series. And we teach this method in our guide classes. So the first thing we're going to do is disconnect the foot pedal. We're going to use it to tilt the machine back so we have easier access to the hook area. Then just simply open the door and drop the hook retainer. And now I'm going to show you how to oil that hook without taking it out. We're going to use a pinpoint oiler. Many of you have received this particular oiler when you purchased your machine because it has a very sharp and long point on the end. If you don't have one of those, BERNINA also makes an oiler like this, which we sell here at the shop, and we will fill with BERNINA oil for free. The oil is free. We have a link to this particular oiler on our website, and I'll include it below. The next step, we want to take the hand wheel and rotate the hook so that this opening is at the 9 o'clock position. Okay, we're ready to oil. With the hook in this orientation, you just simply need to put a drop of oil here on the white dot, a drop of oil there on the white dot, and now you can get to this race on the inside, this groove, one drop there. Once you've done that, you want to rotate the hand wheel a few times just to spread the oil around, and you are finished. Your BERNINA Hook machine is now sufficiently oiled. Hope you enjoyed this video. We're Ladyfinger Sewing in Ole, PA. Thanks for watching.